Hello and welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're making white chocolate cherry cups, guys. This recipe is super easy to make with just 3 ingredients. It is perfect for Valentine's Day or any day really. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. So to get started, you're going to need a muffin pan that holds the miniature cupcake holders. If you don't have this one, it's totally okay. You can go ahead and use a cookie sheet. Now go ahead and set this aside. Over medium heat in a large pot, I already have some water in here. Once it starts boiling, I'm going to place my metal bowl in here so we can melt our chocolate. Now with the temperature on low, I'm going to add half of this bag into this bowl. And we're going to continue stirring as it melts. And we do not want this water to be boiling as we melt our chocolate because this is hot enough on low and it should melt perfectly. This is how it's looking after it is all melted. So this looks great. So what you want to do is grab a teaspoon of white chocolate, take your holder and place the white chocolate inside. I like to add a little bit more than a teaspoon, just to make sure I have enough white chocolate for the base. Take another liner, line it up, and push firmly. And you're going to see some of that white chocolate come up to the side, and that's exactly what you're looking for. Just like so, and then place it in your muffin pan. And we're going to continue the same process for the rest. Okay, so I am working on the last, oh no, I just got water in my chocolate. Hopefully it's still good. So let's just kind of mix that in. Ooh, oh my gosh, hopefully that still works. Okay, let's see. Don't add water to your chocolate, okay? It's changing the way it melts. So I don't think I'll be able to use the last of it. Look how hard it got after the water got in it. Okay, so I'll discard that. So that's not gonna work. Anyways, that's okay. So I was able to get 20 little cups out of the chocolate. So what I'm going to do is just place this in the fridge for about 20 minutes. And then I'll pull them out and show you guys the next step. We're going to place our graham cracker in a Ziploc bag. And make sure you seal the Ziploc bag. Grab a rolling pan and just smash the graham crackers. This is how our graham crackers are looking after smashing them. This looks great. After 20 minutes, they are out of the fridge. Now it's time to remove the inner part and just be careful when removing the inside. Just want to peel it off carefully. So it looks like this. And go ahead and continue the same process for the rest. So after removing the inner liner, grab your graham crackers and sprinkle about a teaspoon on the bottom. Now it's time to add in our cherries. Just go ahead and fill up the cup. And make sure you have some room on the top so we can cover the rest with chocolate. This is how it's looking after adding the cherries in there. Now go ahead and place this in the fridge while we work on melting the rest of our white chocolate. So our chocolate is done melting. So now go ahead and pour about a teaspoon on top of the cherries. And make sure you don't go all the way up to the lining because it will be really hard to remove the white chocolate after they are done drying. This is how it's looking after adding the white chocolate on top. Now I'm going to place this in the fridge for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, my white chocolate cherry cups are out of the fridge. As you can see, I already plated some. And all you have to do is remove the cupcake lining, which is super easy. Don't they look so cute? And I'm going to take a bite just to show you guys what the inside looks like. Take a look. That is so good. These were so simple to make, super easy, and they are delicious, guys. Go ahead and give them a try. Come back and let me know how you enjoy them. Thank you so much for baking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.